Hi, this is Danny Schatzkes with Gig Gear at InfoComm 2018. We're here at the Innovation Showcase, and I'd like to show you our product line, Gig Gloves. Gig Gloves are the only work glove designed specifically for all production professionals, which includes all the AV techs in this industry. Anybody who's actually doing the work of installing, actually physically putting the products that you can find at this wonderful show into place in order to enhance the systems. Gig gloves are the only work glove designed that they don't have to come off of your hands. Most people tend to wear generic work gloves that inevitably every few minutes you have to take off to do your work. A work glove that you have to take off to do half your work is not the right glove. Let me show you what Gig gloves are. On the back of the hand, you've got impact and abrasion protection in all the right spots where you're normally going to bang them up while you're moving equipment. Underneath is a mesh material that allows moisture to just wick out and evaporate out so your hands don't get sweaty inside. You have a wrist cuff for stability, padded grip protection, and then I'll try to do this with the microphone. We give you access to your first 3 fingers. So all those fine motor skills and actions that you need to do while you're working, you can do without taking your gloves off. And unlike fingerless gloves where they cut off the tips, when your fingers are out, they're still covered from behind, so you still have an adequate amount of protection when your fingers are out. And lastly, and I can't really show this to you, but even without taking your fingers out, our gloves will work with a touchscreen right through the fabric. We offer 3 different versions. Our Onyx line is all black. Our original line has an extra added high visibility feature when you're working in low light. And then our Thermo line is for when you're working in outdoor events or installs, and that's got an internal lining of fleece for those cold weather environments. Gig gloves. You can find them at www.gig-gear.com. That's www.gig-gear.com.